gabay aan abuuriyo geeraara curintood arrimahan igubaya iyo dhiilada igelisee gaclay tiri isma lahayn dhibkan iga dhex buuxiya nabaradan igubaya waa galiilyo joogtaa gii waxaynu joognaa la gumaado maatida la goblamiyo hooyada la go'doonshay nabadii gii waxaynu joognaa geesi iyo gashaantiyo kulli guurtideeniyo ninka golo ka hadal kale lagu gano hub waaweyn gii waxaynu joognaa siyaasi gudan gaariyo gasiinkiisa cayrsado gii waxaynu joognaa
Hazard plays it forward. He's got away. Lacazette. Tries to get it forward quickly. Well read, he sorted that out. Pulisic. And it's Lacazette. De Bruyne. Pulisic.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
He's left his man. Tagliafico not easily shrugged off the ball. De Bruyne. And a second time. It's bounced out. It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
Paris Saint-Germain really putting a few chances together here. Taking one can only add to such good momentum now.
And here's Gaspar. Gaspar delivers. And out to safety.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
And here's Lacazette. He's Lacazette!
We expect to come to the fore at crucial moments. Doing it, however, is another matter, and his influence just grows and grows. The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.